Another explore with Paul out. We're still up in Manchester Way. We're at Stockport this time. I'll put history down below, but here we go. Bunks already. Put you on three. Probably a little fireplace in it. Whee! Another dip. Probably 2 levels at one point. It's safe. Something about getting out.
Crazy, isn't it?
Mental, mate. Unlike our native chalk down in Dover, it's red sandstone by the looks of it. Fucking hell. It's bigger than I thought.
It's massive, mate. Fucking lost in it.
Oh, it's really wet.
Yeah, I wasn't. It don't actually go anywhere. This
Does
is
it
one
not?
of the entrances, I think. This is one of the entrances.
Paul go have a look because I'm not really in heavy boots today. It was great.
Oh, no, yeah, that's the concrete one, you know, the lava one.
Yeah. There she is.
That one there. I don't know where this one goes.
Down.
Anyway.
It's a little room.
There's nothing in there, is there?
Right, back the way we home. That could be water feed for them.
What?
Water or something.
Yeah.
That's all the way in at one point. A minute, it's mucky as muck.
I think this is the wettest bit. I don't think the rest of it's pretty dry.
A little chamber,
Frame of-
frames or something.
Yeah. Storage. This is leaching from the sandstone. It's
Yeah.
black. It's not.
Burn, I know. It's just water's coming out, seeping.
Yeah.
You can see it. You would smell it. I can't smell burn. Ah, hit it on the nail. Go this way now.
Oh, it's just carved out. It's fucking amazing, isn't it? A bit of rubber, isn't it?
No bears that I can. Another little chamber. Oil. No. It's dripping off the roof.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, it's just leaching.
Yeah. Right, saying it's still here, we don't have is the bunk box. Like 400 or 500 of them I've read are in here.
It's amazing, mate. It really is. Because the tunnel's actually round with all these rugby.
It's leaching through still. More beds. And under it. No, so where's Nigel's logo? It's bound to draw a John in here. Go down this one. People actually living down here. I don't blame them. It's much more nicer. Yeah, much nicer.
Oh, fucking hell, people living down here, aren't
Yeah.
Oh, we better start a shout out.
Yeah. I'm going to keep walking, mate. Just be careful. Huh?
Hello? Oh, we're only coming down to have a look, we're not interested, alright? Oh, okay, mate. Toilets.
It's okay, I'll be here. It's toilet. Chemical toilets.
Yeah. We just, we didn't want to interrupt anyone, because people were sleeping down here, mate, you know what I mean? I don't know. Yeah, that's right, just round here, you locals? Salford. Oh, fucking hell.
Back on it. Back on it.
Look, just fucking go wrong.
Burn, mate.
In fact, they could probably that one leads out that one.
Yeah.
Look, the old fucking old rush.
Oh shit, I just kicked the bucket. Literally.
Yeah. The ungalvanised one. Jeez, it's fucking brilliant there, isn't it?
Oh yes.
It's a bit darker because it's sandstone, isn't it? This is fucking this just doesn't stop it. You're not sure.
Where you are now?
Oh no, we come around this way. We walked around the
Yeah.
circle as a fucking rail track.
That's what I was trying to say to you. Can you hear it? There. Yeah, it's there. It's there.
You got all that up.
That is the way out. That's the way out just there.
Okay, we know where we are now.
Roughly.
We won't fucking get lost. Oh yeah, fuck. Let's send them in the wrong direction.
Bastard. It's this way.
Wasn't intentional.
This way. Yeah, I'm going this way.
I think that brings you back round again. Sure.
That one does.
This is empty.
I just wanted to see what it was, I couldn't see.
All niggers.
Yeah, please note, if I flash graffiti on the videos, I have no responsibility for the graffiti that's down in these tunnels, as I'm just cataloguing the history. It's porta potties.
Yeah. Didn't you see the one in the
Yeah, I did.
Fucking virtually complete.
God, sounds dug up.
That's what the staircase would be like.
Somewhere.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, God.
Someone's been down here throwing all these bumps around because they weren't fucking ones. Yeah, someone's been throwing these bumps around.
Are you all done?
No, but it just goes on.
Have a little one. Hey, proper old ones. There's a proper old school one, the bunks.
Oh, weather truly lost now. Oh, there's a fucking bomb going down here.
Huh?
There was a bomb going down here.
Yeah, they lads probably. They said they like a joint.
That's our staircase that goes up. Stairway to heaven. That's the entrance spot.
Yeah, that's it. I'm not going to go up there just to do it. It's too much for my legs at the minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Feel my ankle starting to rump now. So, yeah, being a little bit sensible.
Let's do it.
Scheiter. This one?
Is that the toilets? No, it's not.
This way we were going. That's the way we've come. Have we gone down there?
No. I think we'll go down.
A little bit. Mind that, Paul.
Oh, this is the bit you ain't been. This was the toilets. This was
Oh, fuck's sake.
wrecked.
Yeah, that we've gone in a circle now.
Still missed the partner.
Have we?
Well, we hadn't come across the fucking toilets that we saw on one here, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, they're just there.
Oh, they were.
I don't want to. There's 3 bodies have been down here. There's no one in there now. There's all enough food and gear. A can of Budweiser right there.
Flask and everything.
Do you want a beer?
Oh, sorry, state of being.
Yeah, there's toilets.
You can actually walk through the toilet. You went through this one.
Yeah.
That's it, yeah, that's it, wooden toilet. Fuck if I know which one. That wasn't there, that we never come across.
No, we haven't.
There's the other toilet.
Yeah, I come through there.
You did?
Yeah. Oh, they're still here somewhere.
Still trying to find a way out.
Oh, no. Yeah, because we've passed these tins before.
That's it. You go down that one, I think do a right down here and that brings you back round. There you go. There you go. He's gone that way.